So this is their Belgian waffle with maple and bacon ice cream on top, some whipped cream, and cherry. So kailan ka lang nag-start mag-vlog?
Actually, last month pa lang. So, pag nakita nila yung vlog ko, sobrang onti pa lang talaga.
Oh, okay. Sana you vlogged about this stuff para
Yeah.
pang-add lang.
And hopefully, itong nagaganap, kasama na siya sa ano.
Okay lang naman
Comment.
mag-share tayo ng plate, di ba?
Yeah, okay lang.
So it complements each other. I don't think this is a syrup. This is just chocolate. Kasi sobrang thick niya, oh. Dark chocolate siya, actually. What's your favorite among all the flavors that we got?
Gusto ko yung ano, young beer. Beer ice cream.
Ito, Irish beer. Ako din. Ito rin yung favorite ko, yung Irish beer. Tapos parang ang refreshing niya, in some sort, hindi ko gets, pero parang ang refreshing niya, ang milky niya, pero the flavor is refreshing to my mouth. Parang medyo meron siyang aftertaste ng beer. Slight lang naman.
Tsaka, even na ilang beses mo siyang kainin, okay lang. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun
So, nakakaumay, no?
Oo. Actually, pinagbabawalan na ako sa sweets. Mga ganun.
Really?
Pero,
Yan ang parents mo?
wala eh. Gusto ko talaga sila. Lalo na ice cream.